Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing the Electactic Ice Maker and the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker. Both machines promise quick ice production, but which one delivers better value and performance? Let's dive into the details and see how they stack up against each other. We'll cover their prices, energy efficiency, noise levels, and more, so you can make an informed decision for your home kitchen. When it comes to pricing, the Electactic Ice Maker is priced at $89, while the Sweetcrispy offers a more budget-friendly option at $69. This significant difference of $20 makes the Sweetcrispy an attractive choice for those looking to save money without sacrificing performance. Energy efficiency is another crucial factor to consider. The Electactic consumes 300 watts, which is relatively high compared to the Sweetcrispy's impressive 77 watts. This means that over time, the Sweetcrispy could save you money on your electricity bill while still providing excellent ice production. Lastly, let's talk about noise levels. While the Electactic does not specify its noise output, the Sweetcrispy boasts a quiet operation under 40 decibels, making it suitable for home environments where noise can be a concern. This feature adds to the Sweetcrispy's appeal, especially for those who value a peaceful kitchen atmosphere. In conclusion, both the Electactic and Sweetcrispy ice makers have their strengths. The Electactic offers rapid ice production and a user-friendly design, while the Sweetcrispy stands out with its lower price, energy efficiency, and quiet operation. Depending on your priorities, one may be a better fit for your kitchen than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen appliance comparisons.